Hi, it's Alex from laughingplace.com here today with a 4K Blu-ray unboxing. We haven't had one of these in a while, and this is for Pixar's Soul. I was worried for a little bit we wouldn't get one because it was released direct to Disney Plus on December 25th, and that was kind of an unprecedented release. It wasn't Premiere Access, it was just straight to Disney Plus for all subscribers, so I was worried for a little bit we wouldn't get one, but thankfully we have. My Pixar collection won't be incomplete on the shelves, and this is the 4K edition, which comes with Blu-ray discs and a digital copy. So this is a 3-disc set, 2-disc Blu-ray, 1-disc 4K, and as you can see, it does have a slipcover. Another thing I was worried about, the last Pixar release, Onward, didn't come with a slipcover in any format. 4K, Blu-ray, Soul has one, and it is partially holographic, which is nice. It kind of gives off a look when you see the lights shine on it that feels like the great beyond, which is cool. Both the Blu-ray and the 4K are using the same cover art. The exact same image will be replicated on both versions, and the spine on both sides, it's Joe with 22 in cat form. The backs, however, are a little bit different. They use just slightly different artwork between the Blu-ray and the 4K. This one has one of the promotional images with Joe Gardner walking on a set of piano keys, following 22 in her cat form, and then a few stills from the film. We do get bonus features. So if you're thinking, I have Disney Plus, I can watch the movie anytime there, why would I need to pick this up on disc? For one thing, if you have a 4K TV, 4K on disc will always look better than 4K streaming, so there's that. But there are bonus features that you'll only be able to get here on the physical home media release, or the digital release, I should say. Chief among them is an audio commentary, which Pixar's audio commentaries are always great. We do get deleted scenes with filmmaker introductions, presumably Pete Docter and Kemp Powers. A feature called Not Your Average Joe, see the creation of Pixar's historic first Black leading character. A feature called Astral Taffy, get an in-depth look at the film's artistic and technical innovation. Something called Pretty Deep for a Cartoon. In the Zone, all about the music and sound of soul. It's already won a Golden Globe. It's nominated for an Oscar. Presumably it will win the Oscar and potentially Grammys as well. And then we also get a feature called Jazz Greats and more. And as I mentioned, that is a separate disc of bonus features beyond the audio commentary. So sliding out of the slipcover, you do get just the standard 4K black case. It does just replicate the same artwork from the slipcover, but let's open this up and take a look at the discs. So right away on the inside, we do have some inserts, and you can already see disc art of the 4K disc. First up is your Disney Movie Insiders rewards code, and the same code will get you your digital copy through Movies Anywhere, which then connects to everything like iTunes, Vudu. The back of that just gives you more information about all of the providers that your digital copy can be connected through. So if you want a forever copy, just in case you ever get rid of Disney Plus digitally, you got that, and that will be a 4K copy if you get the 4K version. We also have a flyer for the Disney Movie Club, and it looks the same on the front, but the back is updated with Onward. I don't believe I had seen this version before, but it's also been a really long time since I've bought any Blu-rays. And then there is disc art on all 3 discs. We do have stacked discs. So the 4K disc has Dorothea Williams and her band. The Blu-ray disc has Joe with Cat 22 on his shoulders, same pose from the front cover. And then the bonus disc is behind the 4K, and it has Moonwind, who really stole all of his scenes for me. I loved Moonwind. And they're all floating on these piano keys, so it does kind of keep the same motif that you see on the back of the box. It's really nice that we get disc art on all 3 discs. That's not always the case with Disney home video releases. Usually just the 4K release gets the disc art. So I'm very grateful for that. And again, you can bring home your copy of Soul on Blu-ray or 4K like this version starting Tuesday, March 23rd. Thank you again to Disney for sending us this review copy. It does include over an hour of bonus features plus that audio commentary, and those bonus features are all on their own disc. So I'm really looking forward to diving into all of these. We will have a full written review on laughingplace.com shortly, so be sure to check there. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. Take care. Bye.